How to graph a level curve given a point? Well, the steps are, you first begin by plugging in the points to the function to get a value. After that, step 2, you set the function to equal the value. Then you solve for y, and with y, you can graph the function. So for example, you have a function fxy equals negative 3y over x squared. Okay, you want to sketch a level curve at 2 and 4. You begin by step 1, plugging in the points to the function to get a value. So you get fxy equals negative 3 times y, which is 4, over x, which is 2 squared. So 3 times 4 is negative 12. 2 squared is 4. You have negative 3. Now, set the function to equal to the value. So this is the value. You're going to set the function to equal to that value. So negative 3 is equal to negative 3y over x squared. After that, you're going to solve for y. And in order to solve for y, you're going to multiply x squared by both sides. So you get negative 3x squared equals y. Okay. Oh, negative 3y. Now you're going to isolate y by dividing negative 3 on both sides. You have y equals x squared. Now, if you look at my graphing video, you know that this is a quadratic equation. Therefore, you will have a parabola. So once you graph here, you know that the shape is going to be a parabola. And when graphing, you are going to use this point, okay? So x is 2, 1, 2, y is 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, put a point here, and then mirror it, because when you graph a parabola, a point here means that there's a point here. So 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. Now, you draw the parabola, and there you go. You graph the function.